Hey guys, guess what the special surprise is tonight?
Braves game.
Bart?
I'm thinking I'm sleeping outside in the tent.
We're sleeping outside in the tent at our own house!
I knew it!
Exciting?
Wait, are we ready?
Come on, let's go sit. Alright.
I like sleeping outdoors.
Dad's finished. The weekend is here. It's cool tonight, and let's set up the tent. Do you guys remember how to set up the tent?
I think so. Just
All right.
put some sticks together, put them sticks on the tent. There.
Go. I need help.
Then you get on the other side.
Georgia State Park. I got this nice little pea gravel, this tent. All right, guys, right here.
How they built this thing.
Well, I know you forgot. And I have to remember. I think this is, keep separating it. But it's a quick pop-up. You can see with these goes up and about, you know, it's always the toughest one. Rain fly, and then I'm not going to do that, but it has this little room that goes off on the flap, little porch. Tent for repair kit, and then it comes with these two. Kids are gonna have a good time. We're gonna put an air mattress in there. Cotton, what does the inside look like?
Very.
Alright.
Even larger.
Shorts, my buddies and I on a trip won this chairs and make this a true. There's never a shortage of wood or anything in Atlanta because all the trees. This is typically where we burn fires all winter to get rid of debris, but I'm just going to salvage some of this, put it in my little handy bag for tonight so we can do s'mores. Another good stick. This is funny. This is a stick that Jude whittled. Watch, he's probably going to take note of it and ask him why I'm using it. I'll show you the other part of that grill in a minute. It's pretty cool. It has this tabletop, also a grill, different levels. It's similar to what you would find at a campground, but it's a little less expensive and a little bit more dinky. So there you have it all set up. 2 chairs, a little coffee table, blocking that tent pole. That's the little overhang. I'm gonna get some candles out. Even though it's nice and cool tonight in Atlanta, there are still some mosquitoes. So I'm gonna put these little candles out right here to alleviate that and get this fire going right here. I love this little campground back here. You got your shoes on the back. Go. Hey, we need the mattress. Can't camp without the bows. And here are these little Centronella candles I use. These things actually work pretty well, I think. Of course, I'm hot. I'm super hot. Hey, Duke. Hey, buddy. Duke. Come here, Duke. Come here, Duke. Good boy.
Simple steps to save energy, like opening.
No, move your finger. Move your finger. Move your bottom finger.
This is what I learned.
Cost effective.
So I was surprised Jude actually cooked some sausage on here by himself. It was awesome. And we have pizza. That's my sleeping pad. This is their sleeping pad. Alright.
But when do I turn it off? Do I just put it right here? Yeah, do I put it right here to turn it off?
You like your camping spot, bud? Dude, are you having a good time, buddy? You having a good time? Sit, 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 shake, shake. Attaboy. Fist bump, nose bump. What you find, bud? Let me see.
2 peppers I cook for
Let
you.
me see. You gonna go cook them?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, roast them.
Probably have to separate them. Right, doesn't matter. You get into the woods instead, or press it down to any of this stuff instead get lower down.
Yeah. Don't forget to turn it.
Jason,
Oh
look,
yeah, it's getting black. All right, right there. Hold it.
sleep in your bed or sleep in there.
I'm gonna sleep with you guys in here, okay?
Mm.
Here's my mat right here.
Huh.
Those green things.
If our,
One of them may be deflated from
Marky,
the Appalachian Trail, but
Marky, hold these.
the other one works. Dude,
Out here.
these fresh roasted peppers that Jude just did are really good, actually.
There's a fly underneath.
It's okay. Goes well with. Look,
Geez,
Look.
that must be hard.
look. It is done. There it is, bud. I'm pretty sure the other one is busted. So I'm. Cedar roasted garden.
He did not. Yes, Friday, got it. You got a little bunny.
Good night, boo boo.
Good night.
I love you.
Love you.
Hey, bud, what do you got?
Firefly.
Yeah. There he went. You guys so glad we did this?
Very.
Oh no, Dad has to sleep out here with you.
Or
Deer, raccoons, pop. So if you're wondering a little bit what the setup is like, here I am on my 2 sleeping pads. Right here. The kids are over here on their big blown up queen size. So I switched out with Park last night. I got the air mattress. She got the floor. She thought that was more comfortable. So, but backyard camping success. You ready to get up and get donuts, buddy? Huh? Alright, very good job making up your sleeping pad. And so I definitely slept better the second half of the night than the first. Just Friday night in Atlanta, there was a lot of movement, noise from the road in front of us, but after about 1 o'clock it got quiet and finally able to sleep. But we enjoyed it. It was pretty fun. And of course inexpensive. It cost. Great donuts. Alright, you guys get what you want.
it's hard to pick. They all look great. Wow.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Which is one of mine. They're butter.
Oh, I was about to get that.